Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to pay with cash on Uber Eats. So step 1, open your Uber Eats or go to ubereats.com and log in to your account. Step 2, tap payment methods. Step 3, add a new payment and select cash. Step 4, confirm your delivery address that supports cash payments. Step 5, order your food that you want. Step 6. At checkout, select cash as the payment option. Step 7. Pay the courier in full, not including the tip. The tip in the app is separately paid. Step 8. Tip via cash or in-app based on local availability. And that's it. If this helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching.